Hello viewers, welcome to BS Tech. I'm Khalid Anzar. Today we will unbox and take a first look at the Moto G8 Plus. Though a Moto G-series smartphone, it gets its cameras from Moto 1 series smartphones with minor changes. The phone also has Dolby-tuned dual stereo speakers, which is something that most other phones in this segment lack. Likewise, there are things that make the G8 Plus an interesting product in the mid-range segment, and we will take a look at them right after unboxing the phone. So, here we go. The Moto G8 Plus comes in a rather slim packaging. As you open the box, you get a first look of the phone pre-fitted in a clear transparent TPU cover. The phone's front is covered with a thin sheet of plastic film with most of its features mentioned on it. Before we look at what else we have in the box, let's take out the TPU cover and the plastic film for a closer look at the phone's design. This is how the phone looks. It comes in two color variants and this is the Cosmic Blue model. Now, let's keep the phone aside and look at other contents of the package. As you remove the box separator, you find a SIM tray ejector tool, user manual and safety information guide. At the bottom of the box, there is the phone's neatly packed 15-watt wall charger and a USB Type-C charging and data transfer cord. This is what you get inside the Moto G8 Plus box. Now, let's take a quick look at the phone and its features. The Moto G8 Plus does not look anything like its predecessors. Its design is similar to Moto 1 series smartphones, especially the rear, with a vertically aligned camera module placed on the top left corner. Though the phone's rear panel and chassis are made of polycarbonate, the flush finish looks premium. On the front, there is a 6.3-inch water drop shaped notch screen of a Full HD Plus resolution. The company calls it Max Vision screen, which is just a fancy name for a tall 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Now, let's boot the device and look at its features. The first thing you notice soon after powering up the device is the stock Android operating system. There is no bloatware and the phone's user interface looks free from clutter. There are some additional apps here, but they are mostly incorporated by Motorola for value-added features. The phone is powered by the Android 9 Pie and the company has said that Android 10, which is in works, will soon roll out for the Moto G8 Plus. Moving on to the phone's imaging, G8 Plus has triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 48 megapixel primary sensor, a 16 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a depth sensor. On the front, there is a 25 megapixel selfie shooter. What is interesting here is that all the sensors have pixel binning technology, and the ultra-wide sensor is specially designed for videography. Moreover, the camera also has night mode for low light photography. It also had portrait mode, auto scene detection, slow motion videos, and time-lapse videos. Now, before we conclude, let's take a look at phone's specifications. That's all in this episode of BS Tech. For more on the latest from the world of technology, follow Business Standard on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Do also follow our podcast on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and Spotify. Thanks for watching.